Hello everyone, I am Geeta, Assistant Professor in Technia, Institute of Advanced Study. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on Python popularity. Why is Python so popular? What is it about Python that seems to capture the interest of developers, new and experienced alike? Here we take a brief look at 9 factors that have helped make Python one of the world's leading programming languages. First, Python is easy to learn. One of the largest hurdles for those who are interested in getting into coding is that programming languages really are their own languages. They have their own rules, syntax, grammatical structure, etc. And they often necessitate learning a completely new vocabulary. But Python is different. More so than nearly any other programming language, Python reads and writes very similarly to standard English. It uses a simplified syntax with an emphasis on natural language for a much easier learning curve for beginners, and because Python is free to use and is supported by an extremely large ecosystem of libraries and packages. It's often the first choice language for new developers. These and other factors help demonstrate why Python is best choice for those without proper coding experience. Second, Python has an active supportive community. No programmer is an island. They depend on essential documentation and support so that when they encounter unexpected issue or new problems to solve, they have somewhere to go to find answers. Python have been around for over 3 decades, more than enough time for a dedicated user community to grow up around it. The Python community includes developers for all skill levels and provides easy access to documentation, guides, tutorials and more. At the same time, the Python community is extremely active. When developers are up against deadlines and in desperate need of help, they can work with the community to crowdsource fast, effective solutions. Third, Python is flexible. Python is often described as a general purpose programming language. This means that unlike domain specific languages which are designed only for certain application types, Python may be used to develop nearly any kind of application in any industry or field. What is Python used for? Python has been used to great effect in web development, data analytics, machine learning, data science, data engineering and even machine learning and artificial intelligence. Many top businesses and software companies depend on Python, including Facebook, Google, Netflix, Instagram and others, supported by a range of framework and libraries. There's essentially no coding job that Python can't handle. Fourth, Python offers versatile web development solutions. Although Python is an effective choice for many kinds of development projects, its usefulness in web development is worth specific recognition. Using available open source libraries, Python developers can get their web application up and running quickly and easily. And while other languages such as Java or .NET might often increase performance, the speed and developer experience provided by Python makes it an obvious choice for those who need a quick solution that they can depend on. At the same time, Python's variety of available resources offer a unique opportunity to integrate other applications types into websites. Fifth, Python is well suited to data science and analytics. Many of the factors that make Python an attractive choice for beginners also set it apart as a reliable option for data science and data analysis. Python's ease of use, support and flexibility have made it an essential tool for those who work with machine learning, cloud computing and big data. Python is particularly effective for analyzing and organizing data sets. In fact, for data science and analytics project, Python is second only to R language in terms of popularity. Its out-of-the-box data analysis capabilities combined with its growing ecosystem of data-focused frameworks help ensure that Python remains a popular data science programming solution. Sixth, Python is efficient, fast and reliable. Occasionally, a developer that specializes in a different programming language might ask, why is Python slow? And yes, compared to some other languages such as Java, C#, JavaScript, C++, Python often has a slightly slower execution speed. However, in today's world, development time is much more important than computer runtime, and in terms of time to market, Python simply cannot be beaten. Likewise, Python is efficient and reliable, allowing developers to create powerful applications with a minimum of effort. Completing coding project is easy rather than time consuming, and the results are able to stand toe with application created using more demanding languages. Seventh, Python is widely used with IoT technology. As wireless access becomes even more ubiquitous, the Internet of Things continues to grow. These small internet connected devices often allow users to make small adjustments to their code, customizing their performance to fit specific needs. Many of these devices support either Python or MicroPython, a scaled down version of a programming language designed for simpler devices. As more and more devices become internet connected, users are discovering that a working understanding of Python may be essential in fully utilizing the ever expanding Internet of Things. Eighth, Python empowers custom automation. Programming complex technologies generally requires writing a significant amount of code. Unfortunately, even small simple tasks can end up co-opting large amounts of available developer time. Python incorporates tools and modules to help automate their repetitive time-consuming tasks so that developer can focus their energies on other important issues. Extended by its library of plugins, Python has become an automation standard across industries. In fact, even when working with other programming languages, developers will often write their automation script using Python. Ninth, Python is the academic language. Thanks to its growing dependability in the areas of data science, Python has to become the go-to computing language in schools, college, and other places of learning. Simply put, those who pursue a formal education in computer science and extremely likely to be introduced to Python during the course of their learning and are even more likely to continue using Python throughout their career. By teaching the next generation of programmers and developers how to get the most out of Python, schools are ensuring that Python remains a viable, popular option for years to come. Thank you all. I hope you enjoying my lecture. Please share and subscribe Technia TV.